Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD and touchscreen assembly on the iPad Pro 10.5 2017 model. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. Proper heating requires for iPad screen removal from the body. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On iPad devices, make sure to heat the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert few plastic pickers or card pry tools and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling the Araflex cables attached to the logic board. Next, lift the LCD screen to 45 degrees from top to bottom, and then remove the shield by undoing 2 screws and disconnecting 4 connector plugs. Now the LCD unit can leave from the body. Next, remove the home button and flex from the broken screen and then place it on the new screen. Next, place the new LCD and touch assembly unit in the body by securing 4 connector plugs. Make sure the connections are secured and then add the shield by inserting 2 screws. Next, before clamping, it is good to verify the screen functionality and then secure the screen to the body by adding adhesive. If your replacement part comes without the adhesive, then you can use B7000 glue or new double-sided adhesive. When installing the screen, place the bottom section first, then follow the top and click sides and the bottom simultaneously. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame side and verify that home button clicks and sits precisely. Finally, we are using screen binding clips to tie the screen to the frame. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the screen replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.